On this channel, I've talked a lot about how to do the bow staff and what to do with your upper body. That's only really half the picture. Your lower body, with your feet, your knees, etc., is also really important, especially when you're doing forms. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to do the front or forward stance. The front stance is the most common stance we will use while doing bow staff. You have one foot in front of the other, while both of your feet pointing forward. Your forward leg is bent, so you cannot see the toes of your front foot, while your back leg is straight. When doing the front stance, you want to make sure you have a fair amount of width in your feet. If they're too narrow, like you're walking on a beam, it'll be really easy to knock you over. So you want to make sure you have a fair amount of width so that you have nice, good balance. To step to this stance, what we're going to do is we're going to slide that right foot or back foot to the other foot. And then it's going to slide back out into its new position. The reason why we slide instead of step is that way we can't stomp around on anything. We would slide it, push it out of the way. When stepping through our stances, we don't want our head to bob up and down because that doesn't look very nice. Instead, what we're going to do is bend both knees throughout the process so that our head remains stable and flat. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it that thumbs up, and you can check out my channel for other videos.